Takot siya. Gusto mo na sa kaliwa. Can I? Try it, sabi niya. Etihad Red. Akala ko mall eh. Abu Dhabi. Hello guys! We are here at Abu Dhabi!
Yay! Premiere. Who's there?
Hi, this is the entrance.
Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to
Hi.
Premiere Inn.
Thank you so much. Yung washroom namin. Yan kami, si Lynn at ako. Wala na iba.
Just two of us. See, Hi guys. Hi everyone.
Ito yung wash. Ito yung aming likuan. Ang ganda. Malinis.
Look at it. Look at it. And this is Maxwell House Coffee.
This is
This
our
is
room.
Our holiday.
This is my
escapade.
bed. And this is Lynn's bed. That is Lynn's
How
bed.
it looks.
And this
It's
is
so
mine.
pretty.
Let's see what they have here. What is the view?
Okay, we're gonna have
Oh, it's just a building. Tomorrow, I'll show you this.
tolerance ka na sa ano.
Coffee.
Ito na kaya. Busin natin? Wala
Ah,
tayong
wag,
inumin.
wag, wag.
Oo.
Konti lang.
Ito lang. Pang ano lang. Pampainit-init.
Kasi we ate a lot.
Oh guys, sinuot ko yung damit ko with tag.
Show it.
Tag price pa. Oh, diba? Ganyan ako. Yung shoes ko kanina ko lang din tinanggalan nung sinuot ko.
Nakakatawa si
For
Lynn.
how many years? Kasi hindi ko yun.
Wait lang. I-rest ko lang yung balakang ko.
I want to have
Oh my God!
kanina.
It's so comfy.
Hindi ang meron doon kaya. Ano nga yung number siya?
Ang ganda ng background mo dyan, Sal. This is the background.
Okay. Ang cute naman ng ng electric kitten nila.
We're going to have breakfast. Let's go. Basa. Ay. Pilin.
Like
Good morning po.
Room number please?
911.
9-1.
Yes.
Thank you ma'am. You're welcome.
Thank you. Can we sit here, ate? Thank you.
Ako dito lang.
Where do you want to sit?
Dito na.
Kukuha pa tayo
May
pagkain.
bar.
Ha?
Mini bar. Of course.
This is our breakfast at Premier Inn Hotel. Lynn's breakfast. This is the Musrif Mall. Starbucks.